Welcome back, Taste Buddies. This might be the quickest, easiest vegan ice cream I've ever made. I was even contemplating whether I should even call it a recipe since it only requires 2 ingredients, coconut cream and mangoes. If you're interested, let me show you how to make it. First, let's prepare the mangoes. Make sure they are sweet and ripe so you don't need to add extra sugar. I'm using 3 medium-sized mangoes. Cut your mangoes into small pieces, small enough to fit your blender or food processor. Then, place them in a Ziploc bag and lay them flat on a tray. Freeze them for 2 hours before using. Once the mango pieces are frozen, put them into the food processor. Then add the coconut cream and blend until smooth. Once everything is blended, transfer the mixture to a container. Technically, you could call this a soft serve and eat it straight away, but if you have a little more patience, put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours, and then you'll be able to scoop it out with an ice cream scoop. And there you have it. Isn't that easy? I like to serve it with warm desserts like my peach crumble, or drizzle it with honey. I'll be honest, it might be a little bit icy, but when it's this easy to make, I won't complain. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're having a great week. Until next time.